10th of April, Sunday. Got to the bastard on Saturday, so I'm a little tired from getting up early for that. But we should still be able to get on some birds. I'm gonna work in here real slowly. Make sure I don't bump nothing. It's about 42. I'm supposed to get up to 60 today. Low winds. I think we should be able to go.
Right here, I was really trying to mimic them hens. I knew those toms were henned up, so I was gonna have to call on them hens if I wanted a shot at this bird. So I was really trying to mimic what they were saying and get them fired up. At this point, I knew that there was only that hen. I had watched one hen go up into the hill on her own, and then I heard another hen fall back into the bottom. So I knew it was just this hen and a couple other toms from what I could hear. So I only called 2 more times and let this hen do the rest of the work. She was already mad enough. Right here is when 2 Jakes came into the group. My camera stopped recording here in a couple seconds. Every 20 minutes it stops recording. You gotta press play again, so happened about the worst time possible. But like I said, 2 Jakes came into the group with 3 toms and the bearded hen. That bearded hen worked right in front of that wood pile up into the hill with those 2 Jakes, and then 3 toms kept going down the bottom.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I don't know if that was recording. That's right. I gotta figure that out somehow. Dang it, dude. This camera turns off every 20 minutes and it turned off right before they came in. I'm gonna have to start finding a camera guy now. This is the first real morning I've been able to go out. I went out before school Friday. Didn't get it done. I got kind of close, but didn't get it done. Yesterday morning, I had a bass fishing tournament, and that was all day from 5:30 till 3. So here in Illinois, season closes at 1. So didn't get it done then either, but I got it done now. Thank the Lord. Now I can go to church. Have a good day. Goodness, dude, that's a big bird. That's a big bird. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't believe it already happened. I was hid pretty well in there. But I think he still started to see me. I just walked this off 60 yards from me up to that tree up there. But 60 yards, it's a long shot. That's the longest shot I've ever taken at a bird. Usually don't like taking them long shots, but I think it was going to be my only option because they were starting to work off. That bearded hen reminds you, went right up into the woods, followed this, went right up into the woods. 2 jakes, followed her up right there, and then 3 toms stopped at the point of that brush pile, that big brush pile. 3 toms, just worked all the way in, right there. He had 2 more off to his left. Those 2 were working off. He really wanted to come in, but he had his head poking up real high. Looked like he wanted to swoop, so took the shot when I had an opportunity to, and it worked out. So all I did was I pretty much just called to that hen, and them gobblers followed, and so did 2 jakes. Yeah, that bearded hen, she really wanted to screw me up. She came right in with these toms right behind her. Oh, before I forget, I better tag it. It's almost crazy how late I got in here today. I got in here about 5:45. Like I was saying, yesterday I had a bass fishing tournament. I got up at like 4:20. Day before that I got up at about 4 to go out turkey hunting before school. So I've had some long days, so sleeping in until 5:30 felt pretty good. Just God has been blessed me so much this year. Been able to get a few turkeys for other people, and this is my 2nd bird of the year. So it's just, like I've always been saying, it's just such a blessing to have these opportunities. This is about the same bottom that I got the last one. This is the same bottom I got the last one. I got the last one right on the other side of this brush pile. I really wasn't even planning on coming in here today, but when I was roosting birds, this is the only bird I heard. I only heard 1 bird, and it was over here. So figured if I want to hunt a bird, I got a 100% chance of getting on one over here. So that's what I did. But there was definitely more than 1 in here. There's 3 toms and 2 jakes. At least 5 birds gobbling, so can't believe it.